Good morning, students. I hope you people are well. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is reproductive health. This is the fourth part of Unit 1, and in this chapter we will learn what all problems are going to come and how we can take the preventions to control them. As you people are knowing that when we talk about the health means a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being is known as your health. That is a healthy person. If any of the problem is going to occur, and that will be known as your diseased. Okay children. So if any of the function is not carried out in a proper manner, that will be known as your diseased. World Health Organization, according to that, reproductive health means a total well-being in all respects. That is, in physical, emotional, behavior and social. If all the factors are going to perform in a perfect manner, then it will be known as your healthy person. After that children, reproductive health implies that the people are able to have responsible satisfaction regarding the sexual life also. The capacity to reproduce, then the freedom to decide what and how to do. Okay children. The next one children, what is the significance of reproductive health? The first one, it make aware both male and female about the healthy reproduction system. Second one, it also show the awareness regarding the birth control measures. After that, it also tell you how to maintain a clean and hygiene condition about the sex organs. After that, it also provide information related to sexually transmitted disease. It also responsible to manage a disorder regarding the reproductive system. Then it makes a good awareness related to the family planning. What are the problems going to occur for the reproductive health? Taboo. Taboo, what it is? In Indian society, it is a tradition and religion that it doesn't provide the knowledge regarding the reproductive health to the children. We are not showing any of the awareness to the children. Next important thing about the problems, that is early marriage. As you people are knowing, at present the government had fixed the age for both the male and female for the marriage, but before that what happens children, there is no criteria or no age limit is there. So during that time the girls and boys used to get married at their earlier age, and due to that only your grannies and they are having what more number of brothers and sisters. Okay children. Then kid parents, as I said, due to the children, that child age marriage or the pre-marriage, due to that what happens, they are unfamiliar because they don't know about anything. How they will give the information about this and that related to the sexual organs. Then career. After marriage, the couple unable to continue their studies. So due to that what happens, the career is also going to be blocked, and especially for the females. Then teenage lady what happens, they are not physically fit for the fetus or for the nourishment purpose. Then deformities, as so many problems are going to occur at the early age marriage. Then maternal and infant mortality, what happens children, that rate had been increased up high. Then personal hygiene, because more number of children are there in the family, so they can't take proper care for the child. Then health of the ladies, as the lady used to do most of the work at the home. Okay, so they will become weak and they may suffer from various types of diseases, and they will cause the population explosion. That is, more number of children at earlier marriage, due to that the population also increased. So certain strategies had been prepared to control the birth, to control the reproductive health, to control the fertility regulation, etc. In the year 1951, family planning program had been launched and it had been monitored in a proper manner. Then in 1997, again that same thing came with little bit advanced form, that is known as your reproductive and child health care. What are the points they had told? The first important point, general awareness. Government and non-government agencies are engaged in creating awareness related to the population increment. That is audiovisual aids, printing media, then primary health centers, that is the hospitals at lower level in village areas, small areas, they started publishing this all. Then after that, role of elders, what all the elder peoples are there, close relatives are also there, they also started telling about this all things. Then sex education in school, that also started. Then family welfare information after the marriage, when the parents used to go to the hospital for treatment purpose, for that conceiving or for any other purpose, they in hospitals, the nurse or the medical people, that they used to inform all the basic things related to the giving of the birth, importance of the breastfeeding, then equal opportunities related to the male and female child. After that, children, next fifth point is given uncontrolled population. Everybody should know about the harmful effects of your uncontrolled population. Okay. Then social evils, what's the myth is there related to the sex, that is earlier the number of children had been increased up to get the male child. Okay children, so that phenomena increased a large number of population. Then next children, infrastructure, that professional and other problems, abortions, that contraceptions, delivery, pregnancy, during that time also proper care had been not taken place, due to that might be possible their death may occur. Sex determination, that amniocentesis and sonography, by the help of that we can determine the sex. So by that what happens children? By that particular the child determination can be done, and due to that the parents used to abort the child if girl child is there. Then for the marriage purpose in India, the boy should get married after 21 years and the girls the minimum age is here 18 years. Then so many research work had been done by the NGOs, okay, and they start providing the information related to the reproductive health to the parents. You people had heard about the contraceptive pill in the television, especially in the Doordarshan, this ad used to come, okay, by the name of Saheli. Now so many contraceptive pills are available in the market. Then what is population explosion? When the number of same species will be increased up in a rapid manner, that will be known as your population explosion. This was derived from a Latin word known as your populace, which means people. Children, demography word is very important. It is the statistical study of human population is known as your demography. How it will be studied? By the growth or the decline in population, by the distribution of population, by the sex ratio of male and female at different age group. Okay, demography word is very important. Then children, here one tabular form is given, that you people are knowing about the population of India after every 10 years they used to do that one. So here male, female, population density, literacy, this all they used to do. Then trend of population in India, that it occurs in 7th position in the world. Okay. Sorry, it occurs the 2nd position in that population and 7th position in the land. Here is one ratio given in 1901, 236.2 millions. At present you see it will be increased up a lot. This one 2011 it had been given. Now the next survey for the population will be on 2021. So you see how rapidly it is going on increasing. What are the causes of population explosion? Increase in the birth rate, decrease in the mortality. Mortality, as you people are knowing that earlier days there is no proper medical facility, so the person used to die. But now what happens children? We are having well developed medical sector. So definitely the death rate will be decreased. Then control disease, so many disease we got proper treatment by the new technologies. High reproductive rate of human beings. You people are knowing the mother can give birth up till above 40-45 years and the father throughout its lifespan. So that is the main reason of population explosion. Then low age marriage of girls and regaining of the reproductive maturity in early age. Then safety against the natural calamities. After that, lower social status. Then social taboos and that one. Then e-migration, the person used to migrate from one place to another. After that, children, what is the effect? The first and foremost thing, what all the daily requirement things are there, their number had been reduced. Their number had been reduced. Next thing, children, what it is given? It may cause a poverty, unemployment because population had been increased rapidly. It also exploited the natural resources such as your food material, petroleum products, forest, soil, minerals, etc. Then it causes living standard, that is there will be decrease in living standard. How luxurious life we can survive, that is not possible. Then the food supply will be reduced, unhealthy unhygiene condition is going to occur. Then decrease in the quantity of the natural resources is also a reason of population explosion. How we can control the population explosion? For that, children, the first and foremost thing, the human beings should be aware and they should take certain precaution. The first important precaution is raising the age limit of marriage. As government already had done that 18 years for the girls and 21 years for the boys. Then decreasing birth rate. As you people are knowing, at present, each and every house, they should have minimum 2 children. Okay. And if they are having more than 2 children, then the government is not providing all the facilities what they are providing for the family which is having only 2 children. Next thing, children, by education. By education, what? We can provide the information to the parents, to the human beings. As in our country, we are having a myth that God gives birth to the children, so we have to look after that. Okay. Then next thing, children, only son can give the moksha. That is, you people are knowing in Hindu tradition, after the death of the mother and father, only boy child can give to the devoted soul. Okay. They can bury to the devoted soul. So that is wrong. That myth is wrong. Then next thing, they should get the daughter only for that Kanyadan. Kanyadan, what it is, children? One ceremony used to occur during the marriage time of the girl, and the father or mother, both the parents, they used to give the daughter in the hand of their son-in-law. Okay, that is also one sacred deed. Then after that, children are the wealth. Then one can earn as much as they are having the children. You have seen the beggar people used to reside near your locality. When they used to come, they will bring 4 or 5 children, small children, and they used to beg. But how ill they are. That is, some are having this and that problems. They are very weaker, they are very thinner. How dirty they are looking. Means they don't have any personal hygiene condition. Okay, so that is the myth of the poor people. More will be the children, more will be the earning. Then after the children, monogamy, that is, try to have 1 or 2 child in their family. Nuclear family is very good for all aspects. After that, children, during the delivery time, as due to low education, they don't know how to take care properly to the female or to the mother. Then after that, they are not providing proper family planning. Who? The parents. After that, by ban of the marriage of a person with more than one woman. This is one important thing. You have seen that sometimes, especially in Hindu tradition, that thing is that they can't marry until and unless the first wife is surviving or he had not got the divorce. So that should be banned. So in this manner, children, we had seen how the population is going to be increased, that is the population explosion, how we can control, that all we can study by this video. Next class, children, we will learn how the sex determination process will be carried out. Okay, children. So by that time, just see the video properly and prepare the notes. After that you study very well. Okay. Next class we will continue further. Thank you children. Take care.